video regarding Windows 10 ending today, tomorrow, 14th of October 2025. And these are quick videos for the Windows 10 users. If they are stuck and don't know what to do, this is just a quick guide to help you. Windows 10 ends and Windows 11 is current. If you still have Windows 11 and your PC can be upgraded to Windows 11 from Microsoft, upgrade your machine. If your PC, if you're still unable to upgrade because it says that it's not compatible, you don't have to throw your computer away. There are two options you have. No, three options you have, which I am going to show you quickly. This is a quick guide video to help you understand. The first option is you can upgrade your machine to the Linux operating systems. You can currently, if it is not compatible to upgrade to Windows 11, you can use Linux. And you may have to learn how to use Linux because it's another operating systems that people are not used to. Or you can use the Microsoft Copilot, and what Copilot does is on the third bullet point on this page, it shows you that Copilot can be extended for a period until 14th of October 2026. So you might as well switch to extended security updates by using the Copilot on Microsoft. And if you are able to do Copilot, if you're able to do Windows 11 upgrade, I will recommend doing a Linux total wipeout and wipe your system. Or you can do your backup on your OneDrive. When you do your backup on your OneDrive, back up all your current Windows 10 files on OneDrive and get a new Windows 11 machine, Windows machine. A new computer, and which is compatible to Windows 11, and then you can log into your OneDrive and all your files will sync into that machine. What will happen now? What will happen is you are at risk. Do not use your Windows 10. I won't recommend it. For you to be safe online, it's recommended not to, because Microsoft will not be held responsible if you are facing any cyber threats. If you have any cyber attacks, your files been stolen, you have denial of service, you cannot access your systems anymore because somebody took over your drive or your computer. To stay safe, I would recommend upgrading and making changes as follows. So Microsoft will no longer give you technical support. There will be no software update, and there will be bug problems on your device, and you will be having continuous problems there. So another alternative you can have is either try and upgrade it, because what will happen is no support for Windows 10 is going to be discontinued. Microsoft has a great selection of 11 PCs you can buy from, and if you are compatible to upgrade your current Windows 10, go ahead and upgrade. If the machine says you can update and the file and the chipsets are compatible to Windows 11, you can upgrade. That's fine. You are in safe hands. But if you're not, this is where you go for Linux operating systems. And in order to cut it short, I will refer you to another channel. In this video, it will give you the key guide on how to totally install Windows 10 Linux directly into your Windows 10 machine. This will save you all the trouble you have to wait for. The link of this video is in my bio. Have a look at it and then follow it through. You can then totally upgrade your Windows 10 machine to Linux, Ubuntu Linux, and the whole guide is there to give you help. And I hope this helps you quickly instead of you don't know what to do. So you have few choices. You can either use Copilot, upgrade for till 2026. You can download Linux as your new operating systems, or you can buy a new PC and then sync. Before you get rid of your Windows 10, make sure you sync everything into OneDrive, and then buy a new Windows 10 PC, then log in into that Windows 10 machine with your old Windows 10 password. Everything will sync and you're good to go. And this is a quick remedy of dealing with the problem or any threats that you might be worried about. I hope this helps you out, and I thank you for viewing. Take care. Bye.